The Greenworks hedge trimmer I use today impressed me a lot. It's light, it's easy, it's quick, there's no exhaust in your face. It has just as much power as the gas power hedge trimmers, if not more. If you gotta go down the side of a hedge, you just pull the button and turn the handle. And you won't get fatigued after using it over long periods of time. A gas chainsaw takes longer to start, longer to prime, choke. Everything needs to be right. The mix for the gas and oil need to be right. The ratio needs to be right. Overall, it's just more maintenance in a gas-powered equipment versus a battery-powered equipment. They work just as good, they cut through the wood just as fast. It's quiet, and you don't get fatigued using it.